with another one.
All right, guys, here in front of you is a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi. Today's video is to show you how to remove the driver's side front hub assembly.
You can look under the bottom right here and see how high I had to get the truck off the ground. Hopefully that's high enough. If not, we'll jack it up a little higher. All right, so let's take off the center cap. All right, so we're gonna remove the tire. All right, so what we're gonna do next is remove the caliper, okay? The whole assembly, so the bracket and the actual caliper itself. If you look behind here, you have two bolts. You have one right here, and then you have one right here, that 13/16. We're gonna remove those first. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is hang this to the frame of the truck. Make sure you don't put any pressure on this line here. Remove the rotor. All right, guys, so the next thing we're going to do is remove the hub. If you're having any issues with your hub where it's grinding when you turn it, it's making like a metal on metal contact noise. To remove it, if you look back here in the back, we have 1, 2, and then 3, those bolts. Those are the bolts to remove it. See that? They're 18 millimeter. So we're gonna remove that now. All right, guys, so once you get the 3 bolts out, twist one back in, that one at the top. See, I put one back in right here. Put that one back in. To hold this on, because you need to remove this sensor, this wire right here, okay? So all the way down, you can just pull this wire out. Up here, it's just a clip. Just like that. See, I got that loose. All right, then we have one more. You have to do the exact same thing to pop this one loose. And then up here, we're gonna push this Christmas tree out just like this. Just like that. So the Christmas tree's out, and I'm gonna take this loose. Give me a second. All right, so we got the wire all loose, and then right here, I'm gonna pull this down a little bit, and you see that red clip right there? You're gonna push up on that clip. I'm doing this with one hand, so let's see. I'm gonna push up on this clip right here. See that? And then when you push up on the clip, all you have to do is push down on this right here and pull the whole thing loose. All right, now you can take that bolt out. All right. So the screw, pull this whole thing off. This right here is the hub. This is where you're gonna put your new hub on it. All right. Remember, when you put the new hub back on, the sensor needs to be facing this little divot right here. It's a divot right here. Okay.
Put everything back together in reverse order and click the hub bolts off to 150 foot-pounds.